In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a report in Salesforce Lightning. Cloning a report is a quick way to reuse your work without risking changes to the original. It's perfect when you want a similar report with slightly different filters, columns, or groupings, and you don't want to rebuild it from scratch. Start by heading to the Reports tab in Salesforce Lightning. This is where all your saved reports live. Browse or search for the report you want to duplicate. Then open it so you can see the full layout, filters, and results. Taking a moment to review the report first is helpful because whatever you see here, columns, groupings, filters, will be copied into your new version. Once the report is open, look near the top of the page for the Edit button. Right next to it, you'll see a small caret icon. Click that caret to reveal more options and choose Save As. This is the key action that lets you clone the report. Save As creates a separate copy, leaving the original untouched, so you can experiment freely without worrying about affecting anyone else who might rely on the original version. When you select Save As, you'll be prompted to give your new report a name. Pick something descriptive so you and your team can tell it apart at a glance. Adding context like the date, team, region, or purpose can be helpful. You can also include a clear description to explain how this cloned report differs from the source. Keeping a consistent naming convention will make your reports easier to find and manage later. After you confirm the Save As action, you've successfully cloned the report. The new version will have all the same settings as the original, including filters, columns, and summaries, but it's now your own copy. From here, you can safely make changes, tweak a filter, add or remove columns, or adjust groupings, knowing you're not altering the original report. That's all it takes. Open the report you want, click the caret next to Edit, select Save As, and give your copy a helpful name: simple, reliable, and fast. If you plan to create multiple variations, consider aligning the names so they're easy to scan and sort. And remember, cloning is a best practice whenever you're testing ideas or tailoring a report for a specific audience without disrupting existing dashboards or scheduled runs. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to clone a report in Salesforce Lightning.